What's going on today, you guys? So today I want to talk to you about something that I hear often or see often on online forums, and that is that KRK Rokits have this buzzing noise, and some people are not able to get rid of this buzzing noise. There are a few things that could get your KRK Rokits to have a buzzing noise. So I kind of want to go through those things and maybe what you can do to troubleshoot it or what you can do to change it. For starters, one of the reasons why your KRK monitors might have a buzzing noise is because you're using a poorly designed or cheap unbalanced cable in the back. As you can see, move around back here. KRK Rokit monitors come with a balanced input. This is good for either XLRs, which are the 3-pin cords, as well as 1/4-inch TRS, which, if you don't know what those look like, that's pretty much it. Tip ring sleeve, TRS, 1/4-inch, otherwise known as instrument cables. So you can plug either of those two into the back. The thing is, many people buy the 1/4-inch cables and they don't end up buying balanced cables. Instead, they buy unbalanced that don't have the tip and ring and sleeve. It's only divided into two sections. So essentially, cheaper cables can create noise because they pick up different, radio waves, microwaves, kind of really any sort of waves that you have going on in your house, and that can essentially cause this really low frequency buzzing noise or humming noise to come from your monitors, which is just not conducive if you're mixing or active listening, or you just want the clearest representation of your sound possible. So that's why, of course, if I were to recommend any cables, I would definitely go for XLR. You already know that they're balanced. They have the ground, which is the 3rd pin, which will essentially cancel out any sort of humming or noise that you might get based purely on your cables. Of course, you may have a grounded cable or balanced cable, and the issue might be that the cable is just old, or it might have a cut in it, or a bend, or something that is degrading the signal in some sort of way. So make sure to just check your cables first. Check your interface to make sure that they're plugged in all the way, plugged in properly. Check to make sure that your interface is okay. Maybe if you have another set of monitors, try your interface with that. And if those are also buzzing, it might be the fact that your interface has something wrong with it as well. There are a couple ways that you can go through and check, but just make sure to check the entire line from your sound source all the way to the monitors to make sure that everything looks good. Secondly, they could be buzzing or humming because you're working on a session with plugins that are humming or buzzing. For example, I can kind of turn this up right here. I don't know if you can hear that when I get close. That's a hum, that's a buzz noise. A lot of newbie producers and new mixing engineers don't really know this, but a lot of their plugins that model analog gear are notorious for having this like humming and buzzing sound. So what happens if I mute it? It's gone. Mute the plugin, unmute it. So go and make sure that all your analog plugins are, if they have noise parameters, make sure they're off. It's unnecessary for the most part, and it's just going to add this nasty hum, and you might not know where it's coming from for a while. But yeah, those are the two main reasons why your KRK monitors might be humming or buzzing. If you have any insights into other reasons why KRK Rokits could be buzzing, or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Alrighty guys, take it easy.